Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Embedded Journey. In this video, we will discuss how to set up environment to execute C programs. We are going to see environment setup for different operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Android, and finally how to run on online and related websites. On Windows, Turbo C and CodeBlocks are most commonly used softwares to execute C programs. GCC compiler on Linux operating system and Mobile C application on Android. Linux has important role in development of embedded systems. Due to its flexibility, most of the developers use Linux rather than Windows. That's why in this channel we would like to use GCC compiler. If you have Windows 10 operating system, then there is chance to set up the environment of GCC compiler. So let's look process. First of all, type here to search turn Windows features on or off. Here it is. Click on and go to the bottom of this page, and here it is Windows subsystem for Linux. Tick mark here and then click OK. And then click here restart now. After restarting, type here Microsoft Store. Here it is. Open it is and then search here Linux. Enter. Then here it is Ubuntu. It is Ubuntu 20.4. It is Ubuntu 18.04. These are versions of Ubuntu. This is the latest version of Ubuntu. It is click here and then install. After the completion of installation, close this. Open it is and then here recently we downloaded. Click here and then this open. It will take few minutes to install. Here we have to give the username. I will give username as Embedded Journey and then create password. Click enter and retype same password and then enter. Here we have to update the applications using the command sudo app update. Enter. Here we have to enter the password. And then here we have to install GCC compiler using command sudo app install tilde minus essential. Enter here Y and then press enter button. And then it will take to install nearly 10 to 15 minutes. It is almost completed, and now installation of GCC was completed. Check the GCC installation completed or not using command gcc --minus version. Enter. Here it's showing the GCC version. First create the file using command vi space file name extension of c. Enter, and here we have to write program. First click I and then it shows the insert, and then after here write the code. This is a simple code to print the embedded journey, and we have to back to this page and save. Click escape, and then click east to WQ, then enter. Then we have to check the file. Enter the command ls. Here it's showing the file name .c. We want to compile this code using the command gcc space filename .c. And then here another file is created, that is a.out. Here a.out is executable file. We have to execute that file. Enter the command /a.out. Enter. Here we get the output embedded journey. If you want to download Turbo C code blocks on Windows and Mobile C on Android, links are given in the description. CoCalc and JDoodle website links are also given in description. Thank you for watching.